In this video, I'm going to break down the benefits of detox juice cleanse and drinks for weight loss. Hi, welcome to today's diet. In this video I'm going to tell you all about the benefits of a detox juice cleanse. You might be wondering what it's like or how the process works. Juice fasting is a great way to get off the dieting roller coaster and see real results quickly. Safe and effective when carried out correctly, juice fasting benefits your entire being. Your physical well-being increases as the body are rid of toxins and excess fat. Your mind benefits because fasting creates a stillness that brings mental clarity and helps you to develop willpower and to better control your senses. As you lose weight and feel much better about yourself, self-esteem improves and sets you on the road to what could be a life-changing experience, connecting you to your spirit and helping you to achieve balance in your life. Juice fasting and weight loss. A juice fast is a great way to shed some extra pounds, especially when you're in a hurry. During the fast, the body uses its own stored substances and, at the same time, detoxifies. A healthy combination of juices squeezed from fresh fruits and vegetables adds vitamins, minerals and trace elements to the body. Because your only source of nourishment during the fast is water and the juices you drink must contain the maximum possible amounts of enzymes, vitamins and other nutrients in the fresh produce. Many of the juicers on the market process the fresh fruits and veggies in a way that destroys many of the nutrients in the food. Juice fasting is a much better diet option than fad diets. Fad diets literally starve the body of nutrients. On the other hand, juice fasting provides the body with the nutrients it needs for vibrant health, helping to fix any chemical imbalances in the body, even those created by fad diets. Juice fasting and detoxification. Juice fasting for detoxification is probably the most well-known usage of this particular type of fast. Juice fasting allows the organs of the body to rest, cleansing and revitalizing them. The organs' functioning is much better, which in turn aids in the digestion of food and production of energy for day-to-day life. Juice fasting may also be helpful for the treatment and prevention of fluid retention. Juice fasting, how to. Before launching into a fast, it's a good idea to begin preparing the body a week ahead. Cut out or reduce nicotine, alcohol, caffeine, sugar, and wheat. Ideally, the diet prior to fasting should consist mainly of fruits, vegetables, and beans. If you've never fasted before, it might be a good idea to limit your first fast to 3 or 4 days. Sometimes abstaining from food entirely is a bit much, so it's okay to eat fresh fruit or veggies if your stomach is complaining. Jogger's Paradise. 3 oranges, 2 hard pears, 1 small yam. Mix and add a little crushed ice. Great for energy. A Taste of Heaven. 2 carrots, 1 sweet potato, 2 apples, a thin slice of Spanish onion, pinch of dulse powder. For energy and endurance. Red Ice. 1 beet, 1 sweet potato, 2 apples, 1 lemon, 1 tomato, a thin slice of Spanish onion, 1 garlic clove, 1/2 can of frozen apple concentrate. Sit back and relax. With the aid of a good juicer or fresh juice from a health shop, give yourself a power-up and try a juice fast. Better than any fad diet, you can stop running yourself ragged. It's a great way to remove toxins from the body, to lose weight, and to improve your health and well-being. Look better, feel better, be healthier than ever before. Please note it's always safest to get the advice of a healthcare professional before making drastic changes to your diet, particularly if you aren't well to start with. Even natural juices can interfere with medication, and you should consult your doctor before fasting. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and hit the notifications bell. Thanks so much. Hope to see you soon for my next video.